Where are you going, honey? What's happening? Are they working? Making noise? Ready, go. Ready, go. You silly. This is our living room and dining room, and she just ran through the kitchen to the laundry room. And she goes back through the kitchen, past the entryway and into the laundry room. Oh, now she's going into the master bedroom. She likes it in there too. I see you in there. I see you. You silly. There you go. You can rest. All that running around, you need a rest on the ladder. Oh, goodness. She always bends over to cough now.